Hey, how's it going, Ernest? Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I appreciate you taking my call earlier. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time. I know you guys are super busy down there in San Antonio. I just wanted to break down some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online and how to increase your online presence, right? Now, you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you, and if I'm completely honest with you, lots of owners of these cleaning businesses are just way too busy running the day-to-day of their business to even realize how or to grasp the fact, right, that being relevant online can actually increase that business, right? Putting more money into your pocket. So I'm just going to break this down. This video is just completely informational and educational for you. And whatever you guys decide to do with this, I mean, it's completely up to you, right? So there are three things that we're going to talk about today. The first thing we're going to talk about is content. Secondly, we're going to talk about backlinks. And then lastly, we're going to talk about citations, okay? Now, first things first, before I even started filming this video, I was kind of maneuvering around your website, you know, clicking things here and there just to ensure that things were okay, ensuring that everything that I clicked was actually working, you know, that some of the links were working as well, and everything checked out pretty good. The only thing being is that Google cares more about content than anything else, right? Even though your website is really pretty, Google cares more about content, right? And that's the amount of words you have on your website. So if I were to highlight, let's see if it lets me, huh? There it is. So if I were to highlight all the words here on your website and copy it and put it in my word counter, let's see. You can see here that you have about 357 words, okay? Now, a really authoritative website has anywhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the homepage alone, okay? So even if you just wanted to bump it up to at least 1,000, that would help greatly increase, excuse me, your visibility on Google and help Google find you a lot easier, okay? Now, along with this content, you would want to have relevant keywords, right, that are basically associated with what you do. So you'd want to include words like restoration services, San Antonio, Texas, carpet cleaners, San Antonio, Texas, excuse me, cleaning services, San Antonio, things like that, right? And that would help boost your visibility online. Now, the second thing I want to talk to you about today are backlinks. Okay, so I went on ahead and plugged in your URL into my tool here. It's called Ahrefs. Now, there are plenty of free tools out there that you can use out there that if you were to just Google like free backlink checker or a keyword researcher for free, things like that, you could basically see what I'm seeing here. Now, what Ahrefs does, it's a paid tool. Obviously, I'm in the industry. But what Ahrefs does, it kind of pulls back the curtain and it allows me to see kind of what's going on in the background of your website. Just breaks down some analytics and some statistics on my end, okay? And I just wanted you to see exactly what I was seeing so you know that I'm not making this stuff up. So as you can see here, you have 324 referring domains, okay? Which basically means that there are 324 other websites that are linking to you, and they're doing so 3,760 times, okay? So 324 websites linking to you 3,760 times, okay? Now you have 176 people visiting your website per month. You have 470 keywords, bringing you a total of $1,300 in traffic value. Now, I went on ahead and did the same thing to your competition out there in your area of San Antonio. And as you can see here, they have less referring domains than you do. They have less backlinks than you do. But yet they're still getting more traffic to their website than you. They have more people visiting their website per month. And look at their traffic value, 2,700 compared to your 1,300. So basically what that tells me is that your backlinks and your referring domains are having to work twice as hard to bring in this amount of value. You know, which is one of the things that I could explain to you, that not all backlinks are created equal, right? So Google knows that you're not a restaurant. Google knows that you're not an Arby's or anything like that, right? So they want to see other websites that are linking to you that are quality, that are relevant to what you do. So restoration blogs, carpet cleaning blogs, forums, things like that, and other websites that are carpet cleaners or restoration companies. It helps build trust, right? Since Google is a popularity contest, they want to see other websites that are relevant to what you do vouching for you, right? Saying that these guys are trustworthy, and it helps build power. So with that being said, there's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table by not taking these backlinks and using them as your own, right? It would help your other backlinks not have to work so hard to bring you this type of traffic value. So the last thing I want to talk to you about today are citations. Now, citations are just anywhere that your business can be found in a directory. And a directory is simply like white pages, yellow pages. You've got Home Advisor, Angie's List, Yelp. Just off the top of my head, those are a few of the directories that you can put your business on, right? So you would need to put your address, your phone number, and your business name into those directories. There are also directories that are local to San Antonio and to Bexar County. Heck, even Alamo Heights that you can use for yourself, and that would help build your citation list. And this is how you get up here in the map pack. By increasing the amount of citations, that is how you get up here in the map pack. Now, if I'm completely honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right? So people, I don't know if you're like me, but you know, I typically don't go down here to the third or fourth page of Google to find what I'm looking for, right? I usually trust the map pack because it's most associated to the question that I'm asking on Google. So for this instant, I'm looking up restoration services, San Antonio, Texas. So I would definitely trust the map pack here, and you're probably wondering like what to do with this information, right? So you could obviously use this information yourself, right, to help your business. Just to review, the first thing you're going to want to do is increase the amount of content you have on your landing page. So from going to 300 to 1,000, that would just help increase your visibility. And then the second thing, you would want to research your competitors' backlinks. Remember, they had less backlinks than you, but they were having more traffic value and more people visiting their website per month, okay? And then lastly, you're going to want to research the citations, right? To see exactly where your competitors are getting their citations from and where they're listing their business in the directories there. So if you're looking to outsource some help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I appreciate your time. You guys have a wonderful day.